Hey Spring Arbor students, how are you this week? This is week 6, one more week after this. You're doing great. I wanted to bring your attention to a few things as we get into week 6 here. As usual, make sure you're reading the syllabus and you understand what's due and when it's due. There's a major paper due this week. It's an essay on the emerging leadership theories that we've been looking at. You can go back and look at our text, this one right here. You can find theories to choose from, your choice to write about: adaptive leadership, authentic leadership, ethical, charismatic, servanthood leadership, and transformational leadership as well. This is a 1,500-word essay. It's a big deal. It should take about 7 pages, which includes a cover page and a page of references. That means about 5 pages of writing, solid writing. And I've included a writing template for the assignment. It'll be attached to the email to help aid you along. You don't have to use it. It's an aid. You're welcome to use it. I think it'll help you out, but it's your choice. And as part of that template, I've also modified, basically what I'm learning some more about version 6 of APA, that some things have changed that some of you have brought to my attention. So I've included some of those changes, especially in the running head, that sort of thing, right into that template. About your citations and references. It's an area in which some of you continue to struggle, but overall, to be fair and balanced on this, I've seen great improvement in all of you, in the majority of you, in how you're writing and how you're doing citations and reference. And listen, I know APA is, it's strange. Okay, it's very prescriptive. It's very unforgiving at times, and sometimes not always clear either. So I get that. Now, if you're following Chapter 6 and Chapter 7 in this APA manual, version 6, then you're gonna get things right almost all the time. But if you have any doubts, look up the website. It's part of the notes that I'll have attached to the email. Look up the Purdue Online Writing Resource Lab, the Purdue OWL. That's kind of how most of us say it. There's a lot of things in there about how to do and how to interpret APA writing. And listen, I'm not beyond mistakes. So if I mark you off on something, a citation, a reference, or a formatting issue of some sort, listen, I'm not beyond correction. You push back, send me an email, say, I don't think I like this, or this doesn't seem right. Here's a reference I found, or here's a source I found that says we should do it this way. I'm very good with that. Okay. So in fact, it helps me correct my thinking as well. It keeps me sharp too. About dialogues, I've noticed that many of you are spreading yourselves around a lot more, and I appreciate that. That's going to have some benefits for you later on as you get to know more people and you understand their background and you're able to have some discourse with them online. Those relationships that you build will provide beneficial later on when you start having scholarly discussions with people about your topic, because you're going to need some sounding boards and people to push things back on. And those relationships that you build now will pay off later on when you do that. Okay, as always, make sure that you are reading any of the course texts, any of these things, with an eye towards a biblical view. Read your course texts and scholarly writing through the lens of a biblical worldview. And if something doesn't seem right, call them out on it. Don't use it, or use it, and make note of it someplace in your paper. So, again, let me know by email if you ever want to chat by Zoom, and we can always meet online that way. So, listen, have a great week, and remember, God is on His throne. Talk to you later.